Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make butter for Banh Mi. Start by leaving unsalted butter out until soft, then grate garlic and chop cilantro fine. Whip the butter until light and creamy, add grated garlic, chopped cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and a pinch of salt. Taste occasionally and adjust seasoning. Chill briefly to firm up before spreading on warm baguette for the best melt and flavor. For tasty variations, experiment with small additions that boost the Banh Mi profile. Try lime zest and a splash of fish sauce for bright umami, or fold in thinly sliced chilies for heat that wakes up the sandwich. For a richer take, mix a little liver pâté into the garlic butter, which pairs beautifully with pork. Keep additions light so the butter enhances without overpowering other fillings. Focus on technique to get the best texture and flavor from your butter. Whip softened butter with a fork or mixer until it becomes smooth and airy, which helps it spread easily. If the butter gets too soft, chill it just until firm so it won't soak into the bread. Always apply to warm baguette so the butter melts and releases aromatic garlic and cilantro notes throughout the sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.